Good morning folks, we are in Blean Woods today, which is just on the outskirts of Canterbury and is ancient woodland, and it's full of oak trees and beech trees and massive ants' nests and all sorts. There's a woodpecker somewhere here pecking on a tree, and there's something about this, I can't quite put my finger on it, but it really feels ancient, it really feels medieval, and it's a wonderful place to be at 8:30 in the morning. Time for a brew. Try that. Ah, success.
Alright.
Hey. Oh, that's delicious. Now, it's a bit of a struggle to get this on these days. I could do with losing a few pounds, or a few kilograms, or a few tens of kilograms. Being recklessly honest. Like that. We're off. Okay, so we're off back to the car park now and on our way home, and we'll see you later.